They are obviously manipulating prices to the highest degree, guys. Today we have to investigate further and deeper. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 62, 61 cents right here, right? But then Bitcoin as well, 37.6k, guys. About the volatility has been off the charts, literally. Today's video we're going to be talking about it, guys. First things first. Now, guys, there's a fun part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is quite interesting from Ask Crypto. This person is, I think, outside the XRP community, okay? He's stating this. Rumor, SEC versus Ripple settlements will be announced on November 30th. Bullish for XRP. Right. So, I don't know. There has been rumors surrounding the cryptosphere, guys. Right? Not only the XRP community, about a settlement happening around November 30th. Could this be true? I'm not sure. But these people are stating it possibly. Remember, LDN is ready, as we see right here. What's really fascinating is that they say November 30th, right? Which I don't think that's going to be happening, guys. I have a feeling, right? This is just a theory that I've been brewing up, guys. Is that settlement will occur possibly the top, right? Near the top, or somewhere around there, guys. Maybe during the collapse or after it. I'm not sure, but 11/30/23, right, from Mr. Poole. That's insane, right? And as well as SEC is having a closed door meeting scheduled for Thursday, November 30th. So this is where they're possibly getting their date from, guys, right? It's just right here, as in includes crucial topics such as institution and settlement of injunctive action. I freaking love Thursdays. Who's ready for some fun, right? And the 30th is on a Thursday as well. Now, that's insane, right? A lot of insane connections, to say the least, guys. What are the chances, right? Wait a moment. November 30th is what? Right? November 30th is 11:30. You drop the 0, it's 113. The Ouroboros, the snake eating its own tail number, guys. What are the chances of that? Right, LDN is last day November. Could it be? I'm not sure, but let us wait and see. Someone else pointed out 11:27 to 11:30. Expect the unexpected. Now, why did he pick those dates, guys? It's because I'm guessing of the Mr. Poole's name, right? It was 27 or 7211 and 311, something like that, guys. So that's fascinating. A lot of connections in today's video. By the way, if you guys like today's video, I really appreciate it. Thank you. And subscribe if you guys haven't already. Now, well, look at this, guys. The Beaver, there's another thing. This thing is happening. The Beaver Moon reaches peak illumination in the morning of Monday, November 27th as well, right? At 4:16 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It'll be very close to full the night before, so plan to look for it starting on Sunday, November 26th, just after sunset, guys, right? So there's supposedly some type of full moon taking place tomorrow, right? Morning of tomorrow, guys. Wow. But 11/27/2023, full moon is in Gemini, okay? I'm not too familiar with astrology, but XRP was born during Gemini, so the sun was in Gemini. Mercury rules Gemini. Mercury happens to be located in Sagittarius on 11/27/23, along with the sun. Look at how they are opposite each other, guys, right? Interesting. Wait, XRP was born during Gemini, guys. So, looking at the heavens above, so to speak, maybe it is significant. I have no clue. Possibly. It sure seems like it. Now, when we talk about the moon dates, guys, or I mean the full moons and new moons, right? We see a chart with literally the moon phases. The top is the new moon, the bottom is the full moon, right? I mean, just from looking at this, guys, what does it look like? Certain pivot points takes place, guys, right before or during the moon phases, as you guys can see. So we're going to be having a full moon tomorrow, guys. Last time we did, we pumped. Look at that, right? It was right here on October 28th or so. We pumped out, guys. As well as this September 28th, we pumped, right? Till, what is that? The new moon. So, interesting, guys. Can we? Some other times we dump though, right? I'm guessing it depends on the structure of the markets, guys, right? If it's bullish or bearish, then it does what it just basically gives an energy boost to that structure of the markets, guys, right? Bitcoin is probably bullish as we speak right now, guys. Sure seems like it because it hasn't been dumping, right? So maybe we're going to be pumping here soon, guys. Now, let me show you guys something very crazy that happened. Okay, Bitcoin. I'm going to show you something that no one else will tell you guys. Okay, I don't know if anyone else noticed this. I'm pretty sure maybe a few have, but no one else is out there saying what we're about to say, guys. Okay, is this right here? So it's about XRP, not Bitcoin. Well, I guess Bitcoin ties in with the narrative, but check this out. XRP was this happened 12 hours ago, or 12 hours ish ago, guys. Okay, XRP was at around 62 cents. Okay, just stable, and it pumped out of there, went all the way to almost 64 cents, guys. Right, 63.7 cents, as we see right there. And guess what happened right after? It dumped. You know why that's so interesting is look at Bitcoin. About that same time frame, Bitcoin didn't do anything. Okay, Bitcoin did not do anything. XRP moved up like that, and it went back down. Why? Isn't that strange, guys? I noticed when XRP was pumping, I got excited, but I wasn't getting too overly excited because I had a feeling whenever XRP pumps solo, guys, right? After the fact, it always the Bitcoin dumps. Always. Go check out the charts, guys. Okay, no one else is saying this. No one else is literally saying this, guys. The proof is in the damn pudding. Look what happened. XRP pumped, right? Right after, when it was starting to move, guys, look at Bitcoin. It started dumping, which made XRP's price dump out of there, right? It went all the way to 60 cents, guys, 61 cents, right? And it's recovering as well, back up again. This just tells me that prices are manipulated to the highest degree. And what's really fishy to me is someone always knows about when Bitcoin will dump. So what they do is pump XRP's price, so they protect XRP's price from going all the way down, lower, right? So it holds this type of uptrend, guys. So it's just fishy. So who is it? Who could it be, right? Or obviously they have bots in place. Maybe it's Aladdin, guys, from BlackRock, right? That's what I've been trying to get at. We obviously can't know, but why does it always happen, right? Always. I have no clue, guys. Now, here's a connection to Garlinghouse and the charts. This is crazy because he states, I'm in disbelief, 10:31 p.m., 113, okay, or 311. The reason why he stated this is because former SEC Chair Jay Clayton live streamed on November 21st, 2023, okay? And then he says he's in disbelief because of Jay Clayton's comments. I'll have the link down here below if you guys would like to check the video out, guys, because we're probably not going to watch it here. We have a lot to talk about. Now, he's connecting that to Jay Clayton, right, of his statements. But what if we connect I'm in disbelief to the charts? Why? Because check this out, guys. This is crazy. Actually, we're going to be talking about Jay Clayton's comments here in a bit. First things first, though, if we connect disbelief to the charts, to the Wall Street cheat sheet, what do we have here? Disbelief. We have two disbeliefs here. This rally will fail like others. This is a sucker's rally. Don't we see, guys, where we're at right now? Possibly a hint that he just gave the community, right? Who says I'm in disbelief? Obviously, maybe Jay Clayton said something crazy. I didn't even watch the video, guys, right? Maybe a few seconds of it. So maybe when we do investigate further, we will be in disbelief. But when someone says they're in disbelief, guys, in the cryptosphere, they mean when prices are rising, they don't believe it's going to keep going higher, right? They're in disbelief. And guess what happens after disbelief? Hope, optimism, belief, and thrill and euphoria. The market tops out. That's so amazing, guys. I'm smiling so much right now, right? That's an amazing connection, which seems like we're going to be pumping. Therefore we're going to be pumping, guys, if that's the case. Now, wouldn't this be interesting? Someone typed in, I'm in disbelief in simple gematria, and it came out to 116, guys. Wait, what? Now I'm actually in disbelief. Why? Because 116 was connect to 9/11, right? And then it will connect to Thursday, nuclear war, global reset immediately. Wow, Thursday, huh? 11:30 and whatnot. Did that just say 11:29? People are shocked. Did that just say nuclear war, guys? Wow, that's scary, isn't it? Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. I mean, this is what I thought about. If they want to collapse the markets, guys, they can't use some 2020 thing excuse again, right? They have to make it bigger and more dramatic. So maybe that's when people will be in disbelief. Who knows? Not anything advice. But Ripple CEO Garlinghouse fires back at former SEC chair, right? And he says he's in a state of disbelief after hearing some comments that were recently made by the former SEC chairman Jay Clayton about the state of cryptocurrency regulation. Wow. So that's why he was in disbelief, guys. Okay. Now, if we really check this out, quote, I'm very sympathetic to the entrepreneurs who wanted to reach out to the public to raise capital, end quote. Clayton asked that regulators should be looking at ways that would make it easier to raise capital for smaller and medium-sized companies. The former SEC boss believes that the appropriate way to regulate cryptocurrencies is to recognize that it is a technology, not a product. He believes that this is a different technology that is delivering the product that we already know in a more efficient way. I think that the classification issues about whether a product is a security or a commodity are overblown. I think most of those decisions are pretty easy, guys. Wow. He probably say to some other things, guys, right in the video. I should honestly watch it. Maybe I will after this. But David Schwartz comes out. If auctioning artwork has started 10 years ago, the SEC would be suing auction houses today, arguing that people who buy early art expect the artist's subsequent works to create and inflate the market for their early works. Right. But remember, artwork and art they don't go too hard after that realm, guys. You guys already know why. Because of space, money laundering, and all sorts of stuff, right? But again, the SEC definitely has an agenda, right? And their agenda is to, we already know the game plan, guys. Problem, reaction, solution, not financial advice. Now, the fountain for today's video comes from Bob Cox. Countdown to Thanksgiving 2024 has begun, right? Hopefully, till then, guys, things happen, right? As in, prices go up and events as well. Now, financial advice, let's see what happens in the future. But anyways, that's all for you guys. Amazingness. See ya.